What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at the Nillkin Flex Pure Case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. First off, shout out to TVC Mall for sending this case over for me to try out on the channel. I truly do appreciate it.
Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
If you're interested in this case, it will cost you $40 on Amazon at the time of this recording. There are two color options to choose from. There's black and green. Let's talk features. Features of the case. We have a pen that is included with an S Pen holder if you already have the S Pen, food grade liquid silicone, full body protection, and supports wireless charging.
Spectacular Gadgets.
Now, let's examine the front part of the case, and you will immediately notice how flexible it is, especially the left side. They have included a strip of adhesive that will allow it to stick to your Fold 6 and give it better support. Looking around on the inside of this case, I'm not noticing any other areas where they have placed any adhesive strips. So you don't get any except for the one on the left side. But if you take a closer look at this cutout where it's either the speaker hole or the Type-C port, there's a little nub right here. And this little nub would actually fit onto the side of either the speaker or the Type-C port to help it securely stay on the device. The back part of the case is where all the fun is. I want to first check out the included pen. You just press the button down to release the pen. This pen does have a way better feel and weight than the actual S Pen, as it feels very sturdy and it won't snap in half easily. And that's where it ends for this pen. All looks, and you can use it to draw or write. Now, the tip is not supposed to come off, but I wanted to show you what was underneath that little cap. When you are using this pen, please keep that tip on, and you can write on the screen. If you take it off, I'm pretty sure you might damage your screen. And again, this pen has no Bluetooth capability and none of the S Pen functionality. If you do have an actual S Pen, it will fit into this pen holder, no issues. They have included a little bit of Nillkin branding right here towards the bottom, not much. On the inside, it's just a plastic. It's a hard plastic. It's not soft on the inside. You have a cutout for the cameras. And on the inside of this, I'm taking a look, and I do see that there are some tabs. So the back part of this case does include a little bit of adhesive. You have two strips on the bottom and two strips on the top. This install is pretty much effortless. If you need to, go ahead and remove those tabs on the inside. I'm not going to do that. And then just press in all the corners. Make sure everything is lined up, the ports and everything. And it's just pretty much easy to put the back part of the case on. The front part is going to be just as easy. Go ahead and snap in the corners and the whole case is installed. As you have just seen, that S Pen isn't going anywhere, so it is securely inside of that S Pen holder. Let's test out the folded wobble. I have an S Pen attached to the back of this, and as you see, there is no wobble with this case on when the device is folded.
Spectacular Gadgets.
Let me show you the way that you can use the included pen. As you see, I can go ahead and switch between screens and select certain things. I can even draw if I want to, but other than that, I don't have any of the Bluetooth or the actual S Pen capabilities and functionality with this included pen. But it's still nice that they included it. If you ended up not spending the money to get the S Pen, at least you have something to write your notes with.
Oh yeah.
Inside screen protection is minimal. Outside screen protection, you do get a little bit more. And then over around the back, you do have some camera protection as the size of that does raise up. I want to test out wireless capability.
Spectacular gadgets.
Case is on the rather smooth side. It does have that like soft flexible silicone, and so it has that smoothness that's still kind of slippery, so it doesn't have any type of grippiness with this case. So that's just a heads up. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later, later, later.